Okay students, let's start from the first one, that is select query. The select query is the simplest type of query, and because of that it is also the most commonly used in Access database. It can be used to select and display data from either one table or a series of them depending on what data is required. It selects the data from one or more tables and displays the data in the order in which the users wants to display it. Second one is action query. Action query is very popular in data management because they allow for many records to be changed at one time instead of only single record. It is used to modify, delete and add records from one table to another. When we run the action query, the database undergoes a specific action depending on what was specified in the query itself. This can include things like creating new tables, deleting rows from existing ones and updating records, or creating entirely new ones. Third one is sort query or advanced filter. It is the simplest form of query. It allows the user to find and sort information from a single table. Next one is totals or summary query. It allows the user to calculate sums, averages and so on of all the records. It does not show individual records but totals or summary of the table. Parameter query. A parameter query works with other types of queries to get whatever results you sort. This is because when using this type of query, you are able to pass a parameter to a different query such as an action or a select query. It can either be a value or a condition and will essentially tell the other query specifically what you want it to do. It asks some information from the user before displaying the table datasheet. Cross-tab query. It is used to display table with the values of one field on the top and other down the side of the datasheet. The last one is auto lookup query. It automatically fills information in the table on behalf of the user. So this is all for today students. I am sending exercise. Take the correct answer which you have to do in Computer Fair notebook. In my next video I will continue this chapter with a new topic. Till then, bye.